Friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you another AI agent coin. Its name is Giza. Right now, friends, you can see 19% pump, and right now this coin is in its all-time high price. Also, you paid for $1, 19% pump, max chart. You can see, friends. Look at this coin right now on its peak. Okay, in all-time high price. You can see coin initially start there. You paid $1, almost 4x profit here, and right now we are on its all-time low, sorry, high, and this is not a meme coin. And for 60 last 14 days performance amazing, but in last 7 days almost 200% pump. Current market cap $31.1 million, $10.7 million trading volume in last 24 hours. And still I think 4 or 5 central exchanges has just listed this coin. Only very thing about this coin that I didn't like is this. You can see, friends, max supply is 1 billion, in circulation only 74 million coins. Okay, so it's still lots of supply left to come in circulation in future, so this is not good. It's just I think 7 to 8% supply in circulation, so it's still huge supply to come in circulation in future, so this is not good. And Ethereum ecosystem coin, like you see, friends, decentralized finance and AI agent, so this is good. Right now we are on its all-time high. You can see, friends, $0.43, and right now $0.41, just 4% dump, and 1000% up in its all-time low. There was 16 days ago this coin was launched in previous month of May, and we are 1000% up then its all time low also. So performance around this coin is good. You can see, friends, MEXC, Gadget.io, and KuCoin has also listed this coin. Digifinex is listed. Bitmart is listed, and that is the fifth central exchange, and KCEX is also listed coin. So overall, six central exchanges is only listed coin. If you not have MEXC and Get.io account yet, I already provide you both central exchanges links in description. Hey, see, friends, where this coin has I think highest trading volume also. So you can also check out both central exchanges link in description. Like it's friends on X, 112,000 followers for this coin. So this is good. Account is very old. Like it's friends, April 2022, and 112,000 holders for this coin. And you can also check out all further details by yourself. Also, you can see, friends, one day ago they have posted about this coin, and others one day ago, but today there's no any recent update for their coin. And I guess, friends, the CEO of this coin, CEO of this coin, and head of AI. So you can also check out there if you're making investment in this coin, every detail by yourself, because I think this is not good. This account is very old on X, but let's see what's happening in future. So friends, now my price prediction about Kiza is that is this current market $31 million and 20% pump right now, because entire market is dumping, but its price is continuously pumping here, so this is good. But friends, don't ignore that right now we are on its all-time high also, so there are high chances that we can see a good jump in this coin also in short term. After that, this coin can recover, but for long-term investment, I think this thing is not good. I can see, friends, circulation supply that just 34 million. So this is not good sign for this coin, and for those who are making investment here, because total supply is 1 billion and in circulation only 74 million, so it's still huge supply to come in circulation in future. I think that's why maybe we can not see this listing on other tier one central exchanges just like Coinbase, Binance. Maybe they will not list this coin until it's at least 80 to 90% supply be in circulation. Okay, and because, friends, no doubt there's some positive thing about this meme coin also, because the AI agent and DeFi coin. So somehow this is good, and today entire market is dumping, but this coin is on its all-time high, and its max chart, I can see, friends, its all-time chart is also looking very bullish in bear market. So these are something that are very good about this coin, but the circulation supply social community is not too active as it should be. So there are 50-50% chances, and so my price prediction for this coin, if its circulation supply will okay, be all in circulation, its total supply will be all in circulation, then definitely this is next maybe 500 to maybe $3 billion market cap coin. Right now it's looking too far, but friends, in bull run everything is possible, and because AI agents category is a new category going to face their bull run first time, so it's possible that we can see maybe this coin in $1 billion market cap also. This video is no any financial advice video. I still not invested in this meme coin, and I don't think I will invest here because of its circulation supply. What do you think? What's your reviews about this coin? You can must comment down below.